1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Patient is breathless. Use your back well fast. Use your technique. Into breath. Second for pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Patient is pulseless. Don't forget to put your cardiac cord. Okay. Kailangan naka-cardiac cord ang ating pasyente. Okay, and let's start our compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue lang, continue lang. Please somebody take over the compression. Hindi lang yung tomorrow. And please ventilate the patient thoroughly. Please, MIT, nagdating na handout, nakita niyo yung MIT. Please attach the patient to cardiac monitor. Dapat tama ang placement. Continue compression lang. Habang nagpo-connect, continue pa rin ang ating manilation. MIT, ano nakalagay sa MIT? Monitor, RT lang attach. Kasi attach patient to cardiac monitor. Please start on RT line. Okay, and please attach the defibrillator patches.
Ako di kita.
So, once everything's attached, okay, stop compression. Let's analyze the rhythm and switch flow. You want to switch flow? Okay, good. Compressor and ventilator. The patient is now on top of it. The patient is on ventricular defibrillation. Okay? So it's a pulse compressor. It's like a pulse, low pulse, so let's defibrillate the patient has 200 joules.
I'm here, everybody here.
Okay, shock delivered. Continue ventilation, continue compression. Continue compression, and let's give medication. Kindly give patient 1 milligram epinephrine.
1 milligram epinephrine. 1 milligram epinephrine.
Good. Continue compression. So, the patient is now on a okay, are all the links in place? In place? Yes, these are all in place. The requirement for compressor, patient has no pulse. So let's continue ventilation, continue compression, and let's give medication. Can we give patient 1 milligram absolutely? Wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, stop compression, analyze the rhythm and flow. Patient is now on ventricular tachycardia. Compressor, check for pulse, zero pulse. Patient still has no pulse, so let's defibrillate patient again at 100 joules.
And guys, what you're doing,
Clear. Shock delivered. Continue ventilation, continue compression. And let's give medication. This time we give medication. 2 minutes, pwede na, 4 minutes. I don't know kung pwede na. So let's give vasopressin 14 minutes.
Gagawin ko pala. I like it.
Let's analyze stop compression, analyze the switch flow. Patient is now on atrial tachycardia. Compressor is there a pulse? Yes, patient has a positive pulse. So continue ventilation, stand by. Okay, stop compression, and let's give medication. Finally give patient adenosine milligrams. Since the patient has a positive pulse, we start, dopamine for the leader, before we begin the start.
Ayaw ko na tulog pa lang. Ulit!
Let's analyze the since may pulse na yung pasyente, tanggalin na yung dalawang F. Kailangan ko bang stop ang compression? Hindi na. One, nobody is compressing. Kailangan ko bang mag-switch role? No need, because nobody is compressing anymore. But we're going to have letter A, analyze the result. Patient is now on. Patient has a positive pulse. So please continue presentation, 1 and 5 seconds. SF. Standby compression and give your medication. Please give atropine 0.5 mg. Atropine 0.5 mg.
Ito ko, nag-record nila ako, record.
We need to check for okay, 60 over 40. What do we do?
Dopamine.
Dopamine started. Gagawin.
Dopamine citrate and 7.5. Dopamine citrate.
Okay. Let's break it. 2 minutes. Patient is now on. Normal sinus rhythm. Check for pulses. The pulse. Yes, pulse. The patient 100 over 70. So it's maintained. Hindi na kailangan taper or titrate. Maintain lang muna natin and evaluate after 2 minutes. So since the vital signs are stable, we can check for those of the patient. Autosat, for example, 28%. So attach patient 2, case of nila, apply to oxygen, have the patient for such as X-ray, attach to this, draw blood, insert folic acid, and endorse for the item. Okay, pakipalaman na ba ng aking